Welcome to Embodied Sound. I'll be offering embodiment workshops in surrendered group work to support you to come deeper into your own true resonance. We'll be slowing down, creating safe space, letting go, coming into resonance with one another, and getting in touch with our deep inner wisdom and beginning to let that speak through us in our lives, or let that play through us in our lives. I will also be offering open stage at the festival. Open stage is something we've been holding at Angsbacka for many years, more years than I've been coming to Angsbacka, and it's really a core spiritual practice in the community. It's an opportunity to take the risk of being seen. So in this festival, we'll be practicing surrender, so that when we leave the festival, we come into a more magical, slow, and nourished space in our lives, finally expanding into the infinite. Music.